Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. For this session, we want to discuss one formula to calculate the effective annual interest rates. There are two formulas that can be used to calculate the effective interest rates. First formula to calculate the effective annual interest rates, and the second formula to calculate effective interest rate for any time period. For this session, we want to focus for the first formula, how to calculate the effective annual interest rate, annually or yearly interest rate, effective interest rate. So nominal rates are converted into effective annual rates via the equations. Okay, so this symbol IA, interest for annual effective interest rates. So there are two parameters involved. First, the I is effective rate for one compounding period. Effective rates for one compounding period. And the second one is the M parameter. M stands for number times interest is compounded per year. The compounding frequency per year. Why per year? Because we are calculating the annual effective interest rates. Okay. So again, in this formula, we have two parameters. First, the I defined as effective rates for one compounding period, and parameter M defined as compounding frequency in year. Again, why in year? Because we are determining the annual effective interest rates. So we take one example how this formula been applied. For a nominal interest rate of 12% per year, determine the nominal and effective rates per year for quarterly compounding and B, monthly compounding. Okay. So the interest statement is 12% per year. First, quarterly compounding. Second, monthly compounding. Okay. We see on A, quarterly compounding, given with 12% per year. So look back at this statement. Given the interest statement is 12% per year, so this is according to the interest statement given, 12% per year. Yeah. So this is 12 months yearly. So 12% per year. Yeah. So involve 12 months. Okay. So now we are looking at quarterly compounding, compounded quarterly. So every quarter have 3 months. So we divide to every quarter 3, 6, 9, and 12. So 4 quarters in a year. So we translated into this cash flow diagram. Yeah. So 12% per year. We have 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters every 3 months. So 12% divided by 4 quarters. So we have 3% every quarter. Okay. So look back at this formula. Yeah. Again, I stand for effective rates for one compounding period. So compounding is every quarter, every 3 months, and the compounding is 3%. So the I value here is 0.03, 0.03 or 3%, and the M, the compounding frequency per year. So we can see in this cash flow diagram here, in this cash flow diagram here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 compounding frequency in a year. So M is equivalent to 4. M equivalent to 4. replace inside the formula here 3%, and compounding frequency M is 4. So the effective annual interest rate for this statement is 12.55% per year. Again, 12% per year compounded quarterly. Through the formula here, we can see that the effective annual interest rate is 12.55% per year. Okay. So again, to determine the effective rate using this formula, we must able to identify the I parameter and also the M parameter. Again, I is defined effective rate for one compounding period, and M, number of time interest is compounded per year or compounding frequency in a year. Why year? Because we are calculating the effective annual interest rate. So we can see another diagram here. For monthly compounding. Yeah, for monthly compounding. So again, this is monthly compounding. This is the cash flow diagram for monthly compounding. Yeah, every month 1, 2, 3 until 12. Yeah. So what is the I effective rate for one compounding period? So this is one compounding period, monthly compounding. So the value is 1%. So the I here is 0.01, and the M, how many compounding in a year? Yeah, so we can see here is 12 times. So the M is equivalent to 12. So we replace to the formula, yeah, as what we did just now. So I is 0.01, equal to here, in effective rate for one compounding period, and the M is 12 times when compounding in a year. So for a nominal interest of 12% per year, compounded monthly, the annual effective interest rate is 12.68% per year. 12.68% per year. And we also have this another diagram here, another example. Given is 18% per year and compounded dividend periods. And you can see how the parameter I and M been recognized in various of compounded periods, year, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, and weekly. So we can also use the formula to calculate the effective interest rates. So thank you for this session, how to calculate and how to use the annual effective interest rates.